Ngiyabingelela, igama lami nguNonhlanhla Mbonani, sebenza kwa-IEC eMajuba. Namhlanje u-IEC ubize i-event namabandla ahlukahlukene lapho sizodingida khona ngokuthi i-role yamabandla ekukhuliseni idemokhrasi ithini. Sikubone kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi si-engage namabandla ngoba amabandla agxile emphakathini futhi yiwo okulula ukuthi sidlulise ngawo ulwazi mayelana nama-processes okhetho. Namhlanje-ke siye sahlala saba nama-discussions nabo lapho sinqume khona ukuthi kusukela manje kuya phambili u-IEC information uzoyidlulisa kanjani emabandleni nanokuthi uzowa-capacitate kanjani amabandla ekusizeni ukuthi abe one of the modems esiyisebenzisayo for peacekeeping during ama-elections. Ziningi-ke izinto ey'xoxiwe nama-challenges avelile ekuqinisekiseni ukuthi kusukela manje kuya phambili kuzosetshenzwa kanjani. So this was the first meeting of many engagements to come ukuze sikwazi ukuthi siyithanishe i-response yethu nanokuqiniseka ukuthi umphakathi is informed because kubalulekile for u-IEC ukuthi uma senza ama-elections umphakathi uparticipate kodwa uthi noma uparticipate u-informed. So today was a successful event. We had a great turnout and si-happy ngama-outcomes.
Siyabonga.